Are you the best pregnancy test kits? Pregnancy test kits are a vital tool for women seeking clarity and peace of mind during a potentially life-changing moment. With a wide variety of options available, choosing the right test can feel overwhelming, especially when accuracy, ease of use, and reliability are critical factors. To help consumers make an informed decision, we've tested and compared 5 leading pregnancy test kits, ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. List number: Clearblue Rapid Detection Pregnancy Test. The Clearblue Rapid Detection Pregnancy Test is a budget-friendly option designed for quick and reliable results. With over 99% accuracy from the day of your expected period, this test delivers results in as fast as 1 minute. Its standout features include FloodGuard technology, which minimizes user error, and an extra-wide tip that changes color for easy sampling. The Clear Plus or Minus results make it straightforward to interpret, and its ergonomic design ensures comfort and hygiene during use. In our testing, the Clearblue Rapid Detection Test excelled in accuracy and ease of use. The FloodGuard technology significantly reduced mishandling, making it ideal for first-time users. However, while the test can detect pregnancy up to 5 days early, its sensitivity to low HCG levels is slightly less robust compared to premium models. This kit is best suited for those seeking a reliable, affordable option without the need for advanced features. List new: Easy at Home Pregnancy Test Strips Kit. The Easy at Home Pregnancy Test Strips Kit offers a bulk pack of 20 test strips, making it an economical choice for frequent testers or those tracking fertility. Powered by the PREGMATE app, the strips are designed for early detection of HCG levels as low as 25 miu/ml. The strips are individually wrapped for hygiene, and results are available within 5 minutes. The simple 2-line result system is intuitive and eliminates guesswork. During testing, the Easy at Home strips proved reliable for detecting pregnancy early, though they require careful handling to ensure accuracy. The lack of a physical holder can make the testing process slightly cumbersome, but the affordability and precision make up for this drawback. This kit is ideal for budget-conscious users or those who need multiple tests over time, such as individuals undergoing fertility treatments. List number: Clearblue Pregnancy Test Combo Pack. The Clearblue Pregnancy Test Combo Pack combines digital and rapid detection tests in a single value pack. Featuring 2 digital tests with smart countdown technology and 2 rapid detection tests, this kit provides unmistakably clear results in words, pregnant or not pregnant, or symbols, plus or minus. With over 99% accuracy and the ability to test up to 5 days before a missed period. This pack is designed for users seeking comprehensive confirmation. In our evaluation, the digital tests stood out for their ease of interpretation, making them perfect for users who want absolute clarity. The smart countdown feature adds reassurance during the testing process. However, the premium price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This kit is best suited for those who prioritize accuracy and a mix of digital and traditional testing methods. List 4. Pregnancy Tests with Cup. The Heel Check Pregnancy Test Kit provides 25 bulk test strips with included urine cups for added convenience. With over 99% accuracy and the ability to detect HCG levels as low as 25 miu/mle, this kit delivers rapid results within 3 to 5 minutes. The extra-wide 5mm strips are easy to handle, and discreet packaging ensures privacy during delivery. The Heel Check strips performed well in accuracy tests, and the included urine cups simplify the sampling process. The wider strips reduce the risk of misinterpretation, making this kit user-friendly. However, the bulk nature of the kit may not suit occasional testers. This product is best for individuals who require frequent testing and value convenience. List 5. Clearblue Triple Assurance Pregnancy Test Kit. The Clearblue Triple Assurance Pregnancy Test Kit offers 3 different testing methods in one package: early detection, digital, and rapid detection. with DualSense technology to minimize false positives and results available 6 days before a missed period, this kit is designed for users seeking advanced reliability. The digital test provides clear results in words, while the other tests offer traditional plus-minus results. This kit impressed us with its versatility and advanced features, particularly the DualSense technology, which ensures accuracy even in rare cases of low HCG levels. The combination of test types makes it ideal for users who want multiple options in one package. However, the higher price may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. This product is best for users prioritizing accuracy and variety in testing methods.